Everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to circle crop in Canva. It's quite simple, so all you have to do is follow along. So first thing first, let's go to, let's say, a picture. Let's say I want to circle crop this photo over here. In order to circle crop, now we have to go to the elements and let's simply type in circle. I've already typed in, so let's type circle and hit enter. And in the frames, you have to go to the frame section and you have to choose one frame and maybe keep it a little side. And okay, so we are going to circle crop this photo over here, right? So now you can simply drag it and put it over here, and there you go. This is how you circle crop in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.